Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple method for how to add MetaMask and any extension to the Misay browser, which many people still don't know. First, go to the Play Store and search for Misay browser. Here, as you can see, this is the app. So simply install the app and then open it. After that, you'll see this is the browser dashboard. To add any extension, for example here, I'll search for MetaMask. Then here is the extension, so click. And you'll see the same page as on a PC. So here, click Add to Chrome. After completing the download, agree to the terms. Then here you have two options. You can create a new wallet or import your old wallet. So here I'll select to create a new wallet. Then agree to the terms. Enter your password. Then click create a new wallet. And click here, secure my wallet. Now copy these codes and save it in a secure place. Click next. And here you need to fill the empty boxes with secret phrases. Then click confirm. And done. So the wallet is created successfully. Now back on the browser dashboard, click here. And as you can see, the extension is successfully added. Similarly, you can add any airdrop extension. For example, here, let's type cross extension. Then open the link and add it to Chrome. So as you can see, it's added. Similarly, you can add any extension to form airdrops or for other tasks. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.